welcome back and thank you for tuning in. Today we will learn to solve equations and find the values of different variables given in the equations. So here is how you solve this question. Let me rewrite the question first. 3x plus 4y equals to 23, and another equation is 2y minus x equals minus 19. So while solving these kind of equations, we try to eliminate one of the bases, that is x or the y, and then we find out the value of either x or y. So in this case, we'll see that which of these two is easier to remove. So here, to remove x, we need to multiply it by 3x so that we can just add and it will be removed. Or we can just multiply by 2 and then subtract to remove y. So both of these cases are valid. Let us try to remove this 4y and find the value of x. I think that will be easier compared to removing y. Let me write it first. Minus x plus 2y equals minus 19. So if we just multiply this whole section by 2 and then subtract, which will just change the signs here, and this will be plus. So this will be 3 plus 2, 2x is equal to 5x. So this will cancel out because 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4y. 4y minus 4y is equal to 0, equals 19 multiplied by 2, which is 38. Here it is already minus 23, so we'll just minus 23. So this will be 15, and x is equal to 5x. X equals 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So just by looking at the value of x, we can identify that only option B has the value 3 as x. So it must be the correct option. But let us validate it first. We will just plug in the value of x in this equation. So 2y minus 3 equals to minus 19. 2y equals minus 19 plus 3. Y equals to minus 16 divided by 2. This will be minus 8. So hence we can confirm that the option B is the correct option for this question.